Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege. This game is a 5 versus 5 tactical first-person shooter where two teams, attackers and defenders, compete across diverse maps. Each round presents a new challenge, requiring strategic thinking and quick reflexes. You will learn about the unique operators, their gadgets, and how to effectively use them. We will cover essential strategies for both attacking and defending, helping you understand the core mechanics and teamwork necessary for victory. As an attacker, your primary goal is to secure the objective. Begin by using your drone to gather crucial intelligence on enemy locations and defensive setups. This intel is vital for planning your entry. Utilize breaching tools and operator abilities to create new pathways and pressure points. Coordinate with your team to execute synchronized pushes, aiming to plant the diffuser or eliminate all 5 defenders. Remember, teamwork and communication are key to breaking through fortified positions. When defending, your mission is to protect the objective from the attacking team. Start by reinforcing key walls and deploying your unique operator gadgets to create a strong defensive perimeter. Establish advantageous angles and lines of sight to control entry points and deny attackers easy access. Use intel-gathering operators to anticipate enemy pushes and provide crucial callouts to your teammates. Your goal is to prevent the diffuser from being planted or eliminate all 5 attackers before time runs out. To truly excel in Rainbow Six Siege, mastering advanced tactics and teamwork is essential. Always communicate clearly with your teammates, providing precise callouts and coordinating your actions. Dedicate time to learning every map's intricate layouts and understanding how different operators counter each other. Consistent practice with aiming and recoil control will significantly improve your gun skill. Remember to adapt your strategy throughout the match, responding to the enemy's choices and continuously refining your approach for consistent victories.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.